Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're on a brand new Harris 220 Solstice. So the Solstice series has a few different layouts. This particular one that we're on is a single lounger dual helm, so it gives us 2 helm seats. One of the great features about the Solstice is the nice large couches in the front. This particular one has a drop-in live well at the front that can be used as a live well or used as a cooler. Great storage all the way around the boat. On their Solstice series, they use a nice 2-stage hinge that drops this cushion down lower, so it makes it easier to get into your storage. Also with all the Harrises, they use a nice drain trough all the way around all of their furniture bases so that almost no water drains into the storage. It all drains out the back of the furniture. Solstice series comes with nice flip down armrests, really nice large ski locker. Does have a bilge pump down on the bottom of it, so any water that gets down in there gets pumped overboard because this is separate from the center tune. Nice polk upgraded stereo system with a subwoofer. Changing room. Plenty of storage. We don't actually bolt on the changing rooms until somebody actually wants it, so it creates a really nice large storage area. Back to the nice dual helm seats. This one's really nice. It is actually a recliner. So kick back, have them kick your feet up, and enjoy your life out on the water. Nice bench seat here with the flip-flop lounger. Allows this boat to change into the single lounger that we were talking about. Gives you a really nice layout area, nice sun pad to sit in and lounge around on. Great storage under here. Tubes, coolers, skis, wakeboards, whatever you can fit in here. Harris has a drop-down swim step that they use on their Solstice series and up. This thing drops down into the water. It's great for just hanging out in the water, sitting on it. Great for dogs to be able to get in and out of the water. And it's great just to be able for me and you to get in and out of the water. Stainless steel ski tow bar. Nice railings in the front of it so nothing really falls down inside the motor well in there. Nice wide-handled 4-step stainless steel ladder. Harris uses a nice stainless steel rail all the way around the rear of the boat. This allows you to actually sit back here on the boat while the boat is underway. You don't have a fencing that comes up and gets in the back of your legs or anything like that. So it keeps it nice and enclosed. As we come to the helm, Harris does a great job when they lay out their helm station to make sure that everything's easily accessible. Your switches are really easy to get to, stereo's easy to get to. Your Simrad Go 5, which is your GPS, your chart plotter, your fish finder, really easy to get to, and your gauges are in a really nice spot to be able to see. This boat does come equipped with active trim, so your boat will trim itself while it's running across the water. You go into a turn, that motor's going to trim down. You're coming out of that turn, that motor's going to trim back up. All fly-by-wire digital throttle and shift. Has docking mode, makes it easy to get in and out of the dock or in and out of your slip. And of course LED lights everywhere on this boat. In the cup holders, around the floor, everywhere. Well, thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Chris Harding at MarineMax of Dallas. This is a brand new Harris 220 Solstice. If you have any questions, you can visit us at marinemax.com. Or we'd love for you to give us a call at 972-436-9979. Or you can come in the showroom and allow us the opportunity to show the boat to you. Thanks and have a great day.